Hello, my name is Lili and I'm a biology teacher at a sport high school in Romania, Roma. Participating in this Erasmus course was a valuable and inspiring experience. I discovered new strategy for classroom management, inclusive education and active learning. I especially appreciated the practical activities, teamwork and the opportunity to share experience with teachers from different countries. I will bring these new ideas into my biology lesson and share them with my colleagues. I believe this experience will have a positive impact on my teaching and on my students' learning. Thank you for this wonderful Erasmus experience. Thank you, Steve. Thank you, my colleagues.